So let's go over this real quick. So yesterday I was using Claude. Cool. There we go. So yesterday I was using Claude to make this PR, and now not a fan of this. But let's see. I'm thinking we go through. I wish there was like a diff. We go through and review it here. Is there a way? To just hide this? Okay, that's good enough for now. So we have progress and test file added. One thing it said is it made a no-op reporter, which I thought was interesting. And then there's really nothing crazy here. Let's see how it's testing this, right? New no-op reporter. Test no-op reporter. This seems excessive, but I think that's it then. Okay, so now Okay. This is sick. Okay. I'm happy with this. I don't think I need to look at this very closely. All right, so now we're editing files, right? Okay. So, in accordance with Go best practices, avoid using external dependencies. Cool. So we have progress. Execute. Now execute with progress. Okay. What's progress bar MD? Oh, this was the approach it took. Okay. Okay. So this is the transaction manager. So func execute with progress, no op reporter. Oh, that's sick actually. Okay. I like that. And then if we execute with progress, set up progress tracking. Wow. So much code, dude. Skip this tense since move operation execute uses why can't it do this with the mock files? Interesting. all of this should have been. Don't like this code, but it's fine. God, dude, why is it so long? I feel like this should have just been one more test, you know? Like, I don't know if it needed to be that many. I think that's the problem, is that it's making new stuff every time. Honestly, I'm not even gonna read all this. Reporter? Where did reporter come from? I don't know what this is doing, bro. Oh man. Oh, I see, I see. Alright. We're merging it. It's a lot, right? That's for a progress bar? This is surprising. But I'll take it. It costs me literally nothing, so I'm happy to have it. I guess something we should probably do, see if it works, right? Go back to here, and then, so I mean, this should go to master. Uh, let's see. Ah, nice. Let's see what it gave me, right? Uh, let's just run that again. Mm. I'll take that. Um, let's see here. Let's see if we can, let's go. Um, for this feature, do I want this? Yeah. Why not? Let's see. Um, this. Let's see what they come up with here. All right, well, this is working. Cool. We need to come here. Oh my goodness. Just so much to review. Oh, it finished. So screw it. Let's do it. Oh, I forgot to create a branch. That's sad. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, well, this is working. Let's go through these. So I need to come here. Oh, maybe I just need to. Like so. Actually, I'm gonna cover this just for my own sanity. No, I guess I'll do this. Alright, and now we can do that, this, and we can have both. And I'll just try and ignore that. Maybe I'll put obsidian over it for now. What are load parameters and system scalability, and how do they evaluate system performance? What are load parameters and system scalability, and how do they help evaluate? Load parameters are the numbers we define to determine the system's load, and they help evaluate the system performance by giving us a measurement to which we can see how the system behaves when we move that number up or down. Super distracting. How can I hide this? I don't want to see it. What does scalability mean in data-intensive systems, and why is it critical? Scalability means how does the system cope when load is increased? And it's critical because if we can't answer the question, we don't know if the system will work. System can grow efficiently as demand grows without performance degradation. Okay, we'll say that's hard. A fault and a failure. So a fault is a component of the system that deviates from its spec, and a failure is when the system stops responding altogether, and we design the system to prevent faults from causing failures. Yeah. What are the differences in relationships between latency, response time, and throughput in system performance? They're all measurements of a system's ability to handle load. Latency is the time a request is waiting to be serviced. Response time is how long the user is waiting after making a request, and throughput is the amount, in this example, of requests a system can handle over a given time period. All right, let's check on this now. All right, we went through some flashcards. What I need to do is go through chapter 3. Ugh. instead of this, it's more like there's compaction, tombstone, and tombstones. Um, so yes. uh, 'Can get rid of this now. "14 file changes. It said it didn't have to do that much, dude. What? Come on, man. What? Isn't there one spot this needs to be in? This is really just having too much fun. Like, there's no way there has to be 14, 15 now file changes. just keeps going. What? That's crazy. Let's see, what else can I remove here? Ugh, I don't want to look at this. Mm. Look how it's what? Okay. Love that I hit this super fast. Got me through a feature. Bro, 26 file check. This touched every single file in the code base. It had to. What? I mean, this is crazy, right? Wait, what? Oh, come on. Why did it do that? This also isn't necessary. Oops. Did it add this line? No. It literally just formatted this. Weird. This too. These are also not new. It's all just formatting. Okay. So something went off in the wrong direction, but I mean, we can see it's literally doing nothing. Okay. So this has context. This added some context here. I don't know where this formatting shit came from. Okay, so this is like actually, this is actually some changes. Let's see. Okay, so not changes. Let's just add it. Root has real changes. Cancellation. It's a new file. New file. This is new. FS. Okay, so this. Has changes, so this also has changes. More. Okay, so most of this is changes, but this is not. Bar test we know is not. We looked at it already. Bar. Okay. Okay, so something we need to do that I'm seeing here now is I need to add a linter step as a hook so that it doesn't like do this again. This was super annoying. Okay, so this is linting slash linting and space. Alright, so now we're to 19. I don't have time to look at the rest of this, but we will do it tomorrow. We need to, let's just before anything else, feet slash, what is this? Kill command.